friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen tilapia in the air fryer. So we just need frozen tilapia and non-stick cooking spray so it doesn't stick to the air fryer, and seasonings of your choice. I'll just use simple salt and pepper. So now first let's spray the air fryer basket so it doesn't stick. As an alternative to spray, you can also brush the air fryer basket with vegetable oil. And now I'm going to open up packs of frozen tilapia. And put it in the air fryer. So see, tilapia is frozen solid, no need to defrost. And I'm going to season it later once it's cooks, because if I sprinkle it with seasonings now, they won't stick, so we'll just season later. And now let's put tilapia in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And now the fish is defrosted and cooking, so it's a good time to season it. So I'm just going to sprinkle it with seasonings on both sides. So I'll just sprinkle the salt and pepper, and you can add any seasonings you want to add. And now I'm going to also flip it over so it cooks evenly, and season the other side as well. Season the other side. And now let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at tilapia. Look at that, it's perfectly cooked and looks amazing. Now the cooking time can vary based on how thick is the fish. So if you're not sure if yours is cooked, you can always use an instant heat thermometer to measure the internal temperature. Should be at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So if your fish is not cooked through, you can just always put it back in the air fryer at 400 degrees for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. So mine is cooked, and I'm going to take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look at this delicious air fried tilapia, straight from frozen. It was so easy to make, and I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. I'm just going to cut a piece to show you. See, it's fully cooked and flakes so easily. So tender. Now let's try it. Amazing. This fish is so tender, so delicious, and so easy to make. You're going to love making tilapia in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!